Why is it important to pronounce the words properly in Portuguese? The answer is obvious: to be understood. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Teacher Pong. In this video, I will share some tips how to pronounce the Portuguese words properly. One of the best results in learning a foreign language would be to be able to speak like a native speaker. However, for beginners and tourists like us, that is not our primary goal. Instead, our purpose is the effective communication. See to it that we are being understood well by others. And one of the key factors to achieve that is to pronounce the words properly. If we want to speak the language properly, we need to know how the words are structured and enunciated, the sound of the vowels, the sound of the consonants, and the accent marks. In this video, I'm gonna share some basic rules how to pronounce these vowels and consonants in Portuguese. In English, we have the long vowels A, E, I, O, U. In Portuguese, we don't use them. Instead, we use the short version of the vowels, which are A, E, I, O, U. If you're not familiar yet with the difference between the two, observe the following examples. In the left column, these are the words with the short vowel sounds. In the right column, these are words with the long vowel sounds. Listen carefully. Mad, met, win, hop, hug. Now, let's try to add letter E at the end of each word. Made, meet, wine, hope, huge. Did you observe the changes in the sound of the vowels? Mad, made, met, meet, win, wine, hop, hope, hug, huge. The sound of short vowels on the left column became long vowel because of the letter E we added at the end of each word. Now let's try to forget for the meantime the long vowel sounds. And let's use these short vowel sounds to read some syllables in Portuguese with the consonant letters. These are some examples of the consonant letters you already know how to pronounce. Come read with me. Ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. Ja, je, ji, jo, ju. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. La, le, li, lo, lu. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Sa, se, si, so, su. Va, ve, vi, vo, vu. Ya, ye, yi, yo, yu. Za, ze, zi, zo, zu. Let's try to read these words in Portuguese using the short vowel sounds and the basic syllables that we have read. Bola, banana, mapa, sala, fila, lava, Filipina. Very easy, isn't it? Take note of this. The vowels E and O will have the sound of vowels I and U if they are located at the end of the word. Try to look at these examples. Pepino, minuto, deposito, envelope, telefone. This time, let's dive into examination of other consonant letters in Portuguese. I will share 4. Letter D. The syllables would be da, de, gi, do, du. Again, da, de, gi, do, du. Before A, E, O, and U, the sound of letter D is D. That's why it's da, de, do, du. Da as in gravidade, de in federalismo, do as in adoração, du as in durável. However, the letter D, if it's placed before an unstressed final E or I, then the syllable would be G. Let's look at the example. Felicidade, diversidade. Letter T. Ta, te, chi, to, tu. Similar with the letter D, it's different if it's placed before the vowel I or before an unstressed final E. But before A, E, O, and U, it's always T, like ta, te, to, tu. For example, conotação, matemática, totalmente, oportunidade. But before I, it has the sound of ch, like continente, suficiente. Letter C, kasesiku. Again, kasesiku. Before A, O, and U, letter C has the sound of k. That's why the syllables would be ka, ko, ku. Calamidade, continente, curiosidade. But before E and I, the letter C has the sound of S. So the syllable would be se and si. For instance, celebridade, capacidade. Letter G, ga, je, ji, go, gu. Again, ga, je, ji, go, gu. So letter G has the sound of g if it's placed before A, O, and U. For example, ga, like guys, go, as in negociável, gu, like singular. However, if it's placed before E and I, the sound becomes j. The sound j in pleasure, j, and g. For instance, inteligente, imaginação. Pause this video and try to read these words. Volume, cortina, genocida, quantidade, destino, mecanismo, universidade, diligentemente, negativo, popularidade, maternidade, elefante. How many words did you get correctly? Let us know by commenting down below. After watching this video, do you find it easier now to pronounce Portuguese words? I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. I will share more of these pronunciation guides in my future videos about accent marks and other consonant letters in Portuguese. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell. See you in the next video. Ciao, ciao!